Hey guys, Ramblin' Bob here again. I just wanted to show you just a little demo video of the unbelievable power of this E3600 LFP. Now, as you can see, the batteries are completely full. I have 100%. I wish I had my other two batteries, not yet. Still waiting. I want to show you the power of this inverter. I was shocked. I don't need this much power, but I want to show you like what we can do. So I have two of the competitors, if you will. We love all of them. We don't, as long as it works, we don't care. So we have a Opez Mega 2 and we have an AFRI P210. So, and I have two plugs here. So I'm going to charge both of these things at the same time. Now, that's a lot of power, right? To fully charge at full power. Two power stations that are this is 2,000 watt hours and this is 2,000 watt hours, so that's, you know, a lot of power. But watch this, guys. I'm going to plug these bad boys in here. Okay, first we're going to plug in the, what is this? This is the AFRI. Okay, we'll plug that in, and then we'll plug in this one here right away. Okay, and let's see if this thing can handle it. Holy crapzilla! Let's go to simple so you can see it better. And now you can see the output here, and then you see the input here. So my solar is obviously full, so I'm just trying to find ways to you know, like use the power. So I'm going to try to charge two power stations at the same time. That's crazy. I've never tried that before in any other system, and to be honest, I don't think any other system could have handled this, because that's a lot of power. So this is 1,000 watts coming in already, almost 1,100. And then I think that's max for the system. I think 1,100 watts. So I mean, it handled that like candy, right? Like candy. So 1,100, and then this one is still building up. Now this one has a really slow kind of build-up inverter thingy in it, which I like. It's almost like you guys have an air conditioner that has that soft start thing. It's like that. I like. Some people don't like that. I like that. I like that it ramps up slowly, and then you know, it gets to where it got, you know, it has to go without going, you know, right away. You know. I like lights for either my home or my shop or whatever. I like it where you can dial it, or a fader. You know, I'm a DJ. I like faders, but I don't like on and off switches. I never liked that. It's too direct. I just, you know, that way you could pick the power and the brightness of the light that you want. So, okay, so here the fans are going on. We got 1,100 watts going into this one, and we have 1,000 watts going into this one. Now, guys, that's crazy. That's literally crazy. So. And this thing, it didn't even break a sweat. These fans are on. These are just barely on. I mean, they're barely on. I'll show you. Let me get the temperature thingy. Hold on. I just wanted to make kind of a quick video to show the unbelievable power of this inverter. But you know, a quick video, a Rambling Bob quick video is like 25 minutes. Okay, so here, look at the temperature here. Look at. It's been running all day. So 90, was it 98 up there? I saw it the highest. Here's the vents here. 102. I think I saw 102.7, I think. Here, 103.3 is the highest I saw. So, like candies, guys. Like literally candies. Here, output 3,000 watts. Oh, this is up to 1,500 now. So this is up to full. Look at this. 3,000 watts. And it's like candy. That's amazing. Like, I don't know, call me simple, but I don't need this kind of power. I'm charging this at 1,500 watts, almost 1,550. It's bouncing. And then this is like really sensitive in there. You know, look at almost 1,600. So it's still building even more. Look at that, 3,000 watts out, 1,400 watts in, plus I think we're getting another, let's see, about 44 watts on one of the batteries, because that's a mobile and it's in the shade. So about almost 1,600 watts here, and almost well, 1,100 right on the button here. This one's more stable. That one's very jumpy. Oh, 1099. But I mean, look at the speed here, guys. Look at the power. I still have more, guys. I still have more. I ran out of outlets. I don't have anywhere to plug it in. This is one side of the shop. This is the other side. This is that system, and that's that system. So that's one of the drawbacks with this system, is I find myself running out of ports, because now that you have this much power, you kind of want to use it and spread it around, and, you know, power dump like that. But like all this power right now would be wasted, guys. See, I'm actually at 99% now, because, which is fair, because I'm pulling out 3,000 and I'm only putting in about 1,500, 1,450 plus about the 40 or 50 down there. So. You know, to be fair, it's okay to go down 1%. I mean, look, I'm pulling 3,000 watts, and it says I can do that for about 5.5 hours. That's a long time. Imagine if you needed that kind of power for work or something like that, or to hurry up and get it out of there, you know. And like I said, I still have, there's more power in the inverter, but I don't have anywhere else to plug it in. Holy crap, guys, okay, hold on, let me see if I can figure something out here. Normally I wouldn't want to run extension cords on stuff, but I'm going to run a little 500 watt heater, so just so we can push this thing to the limits here. Okay, hold on, I didn't know I'd need more power. Hold on a second. Okay, I got that, I got this. Okay, so I only needed one cord. That's good, because the more cords you put, the more connections, the more headaches, the more voltage drop. So this is a little, it says 500 watts, but it's only 4. So it pulls out 400 watts on here, or on whatever you put it on. Look how fast they're going up, guys. Holy crap, Zilla. This thing's, it's not even breaking a sweat. Like the fans are on now. Let me see if I can find something to do the fan. I don't have anything, guys. I wish I had like a piece of lint or something, or not lint, but a piece of paper again. Oh, here, hold on, I saw one. Okay. So as you can see, they're really not that loud. These fans are as loud as this one, and these things are charging really big. So here, I'll put this here, see how it goes sideways? So just to give you an idea, there is no fan thing. I was told by Pekron there is no fan symbol. However, inside the manual, it shows number 5 is a fan. So we got to work that out. So here, you can see, let me see if I can get it straight here, guys. Oop, tore it. Okay, so now it's straight, and now you can see that kind of, there you go, and you scoop it like that, see that? So you almost have that Superman cape, okay? So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna push this on. Look at this, this is crazy, guys. This is crazy for me. I don't need all this power. I'm glad I have it, because if you have a Lamborghini, you can easily do the freeway speeds, you know what I mean? Okay, so let's see here. This I consider a Lamborghini. I'm gonna turn it side, well, I'll leave it up. Let me put this up a little bit here. That way you can see everything. Okay, and then I'm gonna click this on. So now that's going too. So now you're going to see this, look at 3,200, 3,300, almost 3,400, 3,450, 3,500. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it run for a little bit here. Now definitely we're down 2%, but look at, we're drawing 3,550 watts. 3,600, look at, we just hit almost 36. So we're literally pushing the inverter, 3,500 now, to its limits. And that's the loudest the fan gets. Here, I'll put you over there so you can hear the fan, guys. It's not bad. I don't think it's bad at all. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it got louder. I think that's the limit. There, it had to heat up more. So there's your limit, guys, right there. I mean, I think that's acceptable all day. All day. Obviously, you're not going to be drawing power out of, like this. You know, you're not going to be drawing 3,400 watts trying to sleep. I don't think. But here, I'm charging this at 1,100 watts. I'm charging this at 1,550 watts. That's all over the board. It's jumpy as a dog. And then this is running. So even though it's summer, I have a 400 watt heater aimed at me, which is not a good idea. But guys, look at this. And then I'm still drawing in at 1,400 watts. So if I did have enough solar, I could maintain a draw like this on this inverter, and it just doesn't care. Holy crap, Zilla! I'm gonna let it go until we hit. Let's do till what do you guys think? 95%? Let's go another 3%, and let's see if we can fill those up and power dump them quick. Because, like I said, I'm just trying to kind of give you a sample of what that thing could do for a little box like that. I was amazed with the E1500. That was stronger than the E2000. You know, that was 2,000 watts on the original one, and then the E1500 was 2,200, and now this is 3,600. Like, they didn't beat around the bush. They almost doubled it. That's a big. I haven't even tried the surge power yet. I don't think I have anything here big enough to try it. But holy crap, Zilla, guys, I am very, very pleased with this system so far. As you can see, I'm running 2 other systems with this and the fan, and I forgot the rest of my shop. All the lights you see, the cameras. Let's see what else. The TV, the laptop's on. The gaming laptop is on. That's another couple hundred watts. Like, I'm running everything off this little box right here. Now, normally you wouldn't run, you know, a draw like that all the time, of course. But holy cow, an emergency situation, or if you just need it for an hour or two, this this is the bee's knees now. I mean, this is my favorite system in this whole room, other than the portability, of course, because it's heavy. But man, oh man, this is, and like these are ice cold. Here, let me get my my doohickey here. Check this out. 86 degrees. There's no heat in there. These things are so fat. These are like bigger than battery cables for a car, I think. Actually, maybe not, because one of these would be like the positive, negative. But these are huge. I don't know what's inside there, guys, but they are monster huge. About 1 inch. They're about the 1 inch cable. That's how big it is. To give you an idea, this is a very heavy duty cable. Very heavy duty. This can charge up to, I think it's rated at 1600 watts, I think, which was this system. Look what I put it next to it, guys. Look at this. You can't even see the little one anymore. It like disappears. So these are monster cables. And if I can put the other two batteries up there or next to it and put this up here on another dolly or a doily, yeah, that's our joke, then I'll do that and get rid of the E300 and put it up there. But holy crapzilla, guys. This thing is just monstrous. Here, 97, so we've got 2% more to go. And like I said, this is, it's almost like a little, just a teaser video, just to kind of give you an idea. Because, guys, I've been going to town with this system. I've been trying to test everything I can. I don't have enough stuff to test it. I'm 100% honest. I don't have enough stuff to test it. Like, where the heck am I going to get 7,200 watts of surge power? I can't even think of anything. You need like a, some kind of well pump or you know, motor, generator, compressor, big thing, like big air compressor, big, you know, super air compressor, something like that, or two of them, or three. I mean, who knows? Maybe two. But man, that's a lot of power, guys. A lot of power. I just actually sold my air compressor because I didn't use it anymore, because everything I have is batteries now, so I didn't need the air. And then it came time to get the lug nuts off the vehicle, which I didn't sell at. So battery still doesn't, unless you go 60 volts, you have a chance. But 20 volts, it does not have the kind of torque that you know, you put up to 120 foot-pounds. Boy, that sucker rip. That's why the job sites have not gone to battery yet that I've seen. Everybody's still like, you know, that air, that compressed air. But all right, here, 3,400 watts, 96%. All right, let's see. Let's go 1 more percent. Look at how fast that went. 27. 20, well, that's full charging though. But oh, and not, guys, don't forget this is on. Yeah, that's on. I forgot. And then my laptop, my gaming laptop, my internet laptop, my TV. Yeah, everything is very efficient except the gaming laptop. It's like 300 watts. That's a lot of power. But, you know, you got to play your games, you know. The bigger the boys, the bigger the toys, or something like that. I keep hearing that in life. But, guys, look at this. That's insane. I don't think I'll ever utilize it, but it's great if I need it. I would never in a million years thought that I could charge 2 power stations. I can't even do that on my grid. If I do that on the grid of this building, that would pop the fuse. It definitely pop the circuit, 100%, because it's only 20 amps. You know, these are 20 amps, but you got a 3,600 watt hour inverter in there. I think the house, or not the house, the workshop is, the house is 15. This is 20. I think it's a 20 amp circuit in there. So, you know, you're rated at just under 2,000 watts, or just maybe a hair over 2,000 watts. And like, gosh, man, like this thing does better than this grid on this workshop. It's crazy. Let's see the old temps here at full speed here. I saw 119 in there, guys. I did. Oh, I saw 120. Right? Oh boy, I missed it. Right. I did see a 120. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Let's see. Here, 119.6. That's close enough. I did see a 120.0. But you know, the obviously with heat, you know, the fans, it takes it away, it comes back, so you have to catch it at just the right time. But 120 degrees for full power? Yes, please. I think past 120 is where you want to keep an eye on it. But look at 116. Let me see if can you guys see that? Hopefully you can see the numbers. 103, 108, 116, 109, 114. If you can, I'll read them. Let's see here, 120. 112, 115. So obviously it's all over the board here, because, you know, with fans, obviously all the heat is not condensed into one spot. It's all, you know, it's being blown around. So try to catch it. That's why you do, you know, multiple scans like this on something when you take a temperature. You don't want to take one spot, because right here next to these buttons is obviously going to be higher than down here, obviously. And the batteries, look at the batteries, guys. Look at 85 degrees. They don't even care. They just don't care. They're pumping out they're helping pump out, that 3,400 watts of power, it just doesn't care. All right, guys, I think I'm going to leave it at that for a teaser here. 95%. We fell to where I said, so I'm going to turn this off. That's the first thing I'm going to do. That ran for a long time like candy. There's no weird smells. When I first turned it on, there was a little bit of almost like a dusty smell. That went away, and I think that's the paint or the plastic that these companies use. But that's gone. Like anything, they always use like cheaper paint nowadays. Let's see. So let's see. Like if you guys ever bought a diesel heater, I'm looking into them. Do yourself a favor, run it full blast outside all day, like burn through an entire tank, and hurry up and get that paint smeller off, or you know what I mean. Hurry up and get that out of there. So that's normal with electronics. Is sometimes you get that weird smell, because it's brand new, and they, like I said, they sometimes use funny plastics or cheaper paint or whatever. But it's gone. It's 100% gone now. But that first day, for like the first, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes, I could smell that, which was like a brand new, plasticky, not melting, but like, it's hard to explain, but you guys know what I'm talking about. So you turn something on brand new, and you're like, oh, it's brand new, I can tell. So that smell, that kind of thing. Not like a new car smell. That's a great, but yeah, it's 100% gone. Now we're pushing 3,000 watts. It just doesn't care, guys. It just doesn't care. Holy crap, Zilla. All right, I'm gonna pull out this one, the AFRI. Let's take this one out. All right, and I'm gonna turn these off on camera here so you can watch it. Put that up there somewhere. I don't know if that's gonna stay up there. Okay, so that's happy. See this has a fan on it. This has a fan on it. This one's supposed to have a fan according to the manual. So background, what's up? Where's my fan? All right, guys. I think this is a good teaser. I think that's going to be charging like a dog pretty quick here. And then if you guys want to check this out, man, the link is down there. So far, this thing is a beast. I got a lot of videos coming, guys. This is just a teaser. Trust me, this is just a teaser. And oh, and a light. Background, put the light back on there. I want the light. See this? That's a light. I like that. It's always good for emergencies. Always good. All right, guys, ramble on, be safe, and I'll see you guys here on the channel on Rambling by Reviews. Bye, guys.